Oh, hello guys! Another cheat day, another vlog. Kasi malungkot kasi si Mama Kare ay babalik na sa trabaho by July, first week of July.
A good one
Why?
because I'm very good at maths and other studies.
Very good. Very confident. Yung child as a learner, mostly, always, and most of the time, yung score niya, except sa listens attentively, you got 3.
Zero visibility. Hindi ba kita?
It's not.
Oh, hello guys! Another cheat day, another vlog. Kasi parang tuwing cheat day saka sweet day lang tayo nagba-vlog. Kasi yun lang din naman talaga din yung ganapan no mama. Wala tayo masyadong ganap sa buhay. Ayun. Friday again. May susundin namin si Penpen ngayon. And then after that, pagkasundo namin kay Fen. Pagkasundo namin kay Pen, punta kami ng Taikichi. para sa cheat day ni Mama Kare. Ano again? Nag-vlog na tayo doon? Di ba tayo nag-vlog doon?
Talaga ba?
Parang hindi pa. Ayun, Japanese restaurant. Nag-crave si Mama sa ramen. So yun, ano lang din, chill vlog din tayo ngayon para ano, for memories.
Chika lang.
Chika lang tayo. Ano bang mga dapat gawin, Mama? Ayun, update lang din namin kayo guys regarding sa buhay sa buhay namin na very interesting.
Boring.
Ano?
Paulit-ulit
wait lang,
lang
wait.
yung buhay natin.
Oo nga eh. Paulit-ulit ang buhay natin. Pero yun, malungkot kasi si Mama Kare ay babalik na sa trabaho by July, first week of July.
Yeah.
Happy?
Excited.
Ang problema nun is wala pa kaming childminder na maglo-look out kay Leon kasi yung mga crush dito parang majority is parang at least 1 year old na dapat yung bata bago dalhin sa crush, tapos wala naman kami mahanap na, or hindi naman tayo talaga naghahanap no?
Ayaw
Ng
din
personal childminder. Ayun, so there's no definite plan yet, but we have a news that bibisitahin ulit kami ng aming mga mamas, yung lola nila Penpen, sila Mama Tess at si Mama Elena. So yun na muna siguro yung short term plan namin. At least parang maximum of 3 weeks sila dito, maximum of 3 months sila dito. So yun.
Kasi naka-work from home ka pa rin naman. So,
Oo, saka ngayon si Mama Kare, ang plan is mas dadalasan niya yung work from home niya. And we'll talk about with our company.
May ganun.
Kung anong pwede.
Supportive yun din kasi maganda
Oo,
naman sa
supportive
company.
naman sila.
And dun sa nature of work siguro natin. Di ba? Kahit pa paano, ano naman, ayun, supportive sila pagdating sa ganyan.
Oo.
So, nag-adjust pa din kasi, kaya medyo mahirap. And, yun nga, hirap kasi kaming, alam mo yun, ipagkatiwala sa iba yung baby.
Oo.
Hindi talaga na, kasi kay Penpet talaga, wala
Hands-on.
talaga, o kami talaga din.
Ayun.
Kaya yun. So, yun, plano, kasi yun, pagdating ng July, balik na ako sa work. wala pa dito sila lola kasi expected namin.
Kaka-apply pa lang.
Oo, yun, medyo
Kaka-submit lang nung June 11.
medyo natagalan kami. Nag-ano pa kasi kami, ano ba, ba't nga ba? Hindi agad namin in-apply kasi nga medyo ina-assess pa namin kung paano yung magiging situation.
Nagdadalawang isip pa kasi dagdag din sa
Gasto.
gastos.
Kasi nung, yun nga nung una, plano namin, kami lang muna, parang sabi namin, baka kayanin naman. Kasi baby pa lang naman.
Oo. Pero parang na-assess natin parang hindi kaya, no?
Oo.
Kasi si Leon sobrang alagain.
Oo. So, tinignan namin kung ano yung magiging, alam mo yun, yung situation namin. And kung paano si Leon as a baby. And yun nga, ngayong 4 months siya, medyo mahirap. Medyo ano, kasi malikot, ano, medyo demanding siya compared kay Penpen na behave siya ng baby. Si Leon, iba, medyo, siguro pag lalaki talaga ganun.
Oo, saka ano nga, 'di ba may kasabihan na. I mean, may ano na talagang pagka first at second talagang opposite.
Kaya yun.
Hindi same yung ma-experience mo.
Oh, so yun, nung after i-assess namin nung ilang buwan kung kakayanin namin, so we conclude
Hindi.
hindi namin kakayanin. Medyo mahirap. Mahirapan kami kung parehas kami nag-work, and then meron kami 2 batang aalagaan.
Although si Pen, hindi naman siya alagain na.
So yun, good thing kasi din yung timing, like si Penpet kasi hanggang ngayong June na lang yung pasok niya. So at least by July medyo bawas na yung
Bawas mo na yung
trabaho.
pag-asikaso sa umaga,
Oo, so,
sa paghatid sundo,
yeah.
saka behave naman si Pen sa bahay. So,
Kaya yun.
pero 2 months lang yun. Kasi papasok na siya as senior infant.
Kaya yun. So yun, hopefully ma-process agad yung visa nila mama. Bale, sabi nung nag-inquire sila dun sa VFS,
6 to 8
mga 6
weeks.
to 8 weeks, which
Oo.
is improvement na yun from the last time na pumunta sila dito.
11 weeks.
Oo, inabot sila ng 11 weeks. Pero dun sa mga nakikita namin online,
Parang 5
sabi,
weeks.
5 weeks daw napaprocess na sila eh. So, update namin kayo, no?
Oo.
Kung anong
Tapos, considering pa na silang dalawa is
return.
returnee.
Baka mas mabilis naman kasi na-approve naman na sila before.
Yeah.
So, tingnan natin.
Ayun, so that's one. And then, kapag 1 year old, maghanap kami ng
Hindi, titignan.
childminder.
Tsaka ano din, like,
I-assess pa din kung mag-change ba yung dynamics ni Leon.
natin as a family.
Oo.
Hindi, tsaka titignan din namin, like, kung baka susunod na apply nila mama, siguro kung mag-visit ulit sila dito, baka yung
long
stamp
term na.
zero na titignan natin.
Yeah.
Pasok naman tayo sa criteria eh.
3 years dapat kasi yun eh. Wala pa tayong 3 years. So,
Oo. Tignan natin.
by then,
Kasi yun,
3
hindi
years
na,
na
at
tayo.
least hindi na every 3 months yung visa mo. So baka mas makatipid tayo. So tingnan natin kung kaya na natin
Oo.
i-apply yun.
oo. Kasi yun nga. Parang,
Aralin natin yung
oo.
requirements.
Alanganin pa rin tayo sa childminder. Ay, sa creche, no? Pero kasi, ayun. So, ganun yung plan. And then, pagka ano na kasi, pag 2 years and 7 months, something, before mag 3, pwede na siyang mag ECCE, which is 3 hours din yon
Everyday.
every day. And then,
Parang ano siya, daycare.
oo. And then, after school, pwedeng
i-enroll.
dagdagan. Oo.
Ang maganda kasi doon, yung katulad ng kay Penpen before, libre siya, subsidized siya ng government. So, di ba? Ihatid mo lang yung baby mo doon. May magbabantay na. Then, kung gusto mo na lang mag-extend na yung stay niya, magdadagdag ka na lang. Diba ganun?
Oo, hanggang 5 pwede. Depende sa school. Depende sa school yon. So yun. That's the
So, yun yung update natin.
that's our update regarding sa pag-aalaga ng dalawang bata.
Oh, yung buhay naman namin is ano lang. Everyday ganito lang naman, diba? Simple lang. Pero may mga nangyari, may mga inaasikaso din kami, pero ayun, siguro yung sa mother vlogs na lang.
Oo,
Yung iba,
kapag may mga pag may mga kalinawan na. Oo, update
pero
namin
yung
kayo.
day-to-day naman namin is
Same
ganito lang
same.
din naman. May iba lang talaga ngayon pag pumasok na ako sa work. Na to.
Oo. 'Yun,
Medyo
Tingnan
magiging
natin.
mahirap ulit tayo na.
pakiabangan ang interesting na buhay. ng mga
Simple life.
Pinoy in Ireland.
Pinoy family.
Pinoy family of
Family
four.
of four.
So yun, malapit na kami sa school ni Pen. See you later sa Taikichi. Bye!
I've seen those sleepless lights, sipped on the champagne life. New York City, high dollar tipsy, and I felt an LA sun, cruising up Highway 1. Picture perfect, that red sting was worth it. I've been to some parties, seen my name on marquees, red line in a black Ferrari in the country. But I've never been on top of this world. With one look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your two-piece. Angel made from makeup, wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you. Moonlight in your blue eyes, light up a midnight ride, slow shadow dancing. It
Ayun na lang, beef sogayaki don. Donburi rice within a bowl. Donburi rice in a bowl. Yung una-una. The Donburi. Gyoza. Yeah.
Yeah, it's already included in the
Thank you.
Buti tinanong mo.
Galing mo talaga, mama.
Yung Papa did not record it. Hindi naman hot. It's not hot.
Spicy a little bit.
It's not.
Has a Coke.
No, eat the miso soup.
I don't want this anymore.
Medyo may kick. Hindi, oy. Later pa.
Need some more.
No, nung Coke pa dyan, water.
And then I'll have Coke.
Later pa yung Coke. Pen, we got your grade now from school. What can you say? What do you think you'll have?
I think I'm gonna
Good one or bad one?
a good one
Why?
because I'm very good at maths and other studies.
Wow, very good. Very confident. Okay, so let's see. Oh, your Gaelga. What's this? Ano to? Gaelge?
Guelga.
Guelga. That's their local local language lesson. You got 4 out of 5. So they said Spencer really enjoys our Guelga lessons. Thank you. Especially the games and songs. She participates in all the activities and presents her work with care. Matthew Spencer. Math. Next subject, math. You got 4, Pen. 4 out of 5 for numbers, shape and space, measures, algebra, and data. What can you say?
What you say is I like to do math and it's really fun.
Wow, very good. This is what they said. Spencer's doing well in math. Oh, she grasps new concepts quickly and sees patterns and connections easily. Wow. She loves using our maths resources and is great at problem solving during math challenges and games. Well done, Spencer. And then on social, environmental, and scientific education, and arts education, arts education, music, drama, and visual arts, you got 4 out of 5. Very good. And then you also got 4 on social, personal, and health education, and religious ethical education. Very good. And your lowest grade is physical education, 3 out of 5. Why do you think you got 3 out of 5 for physical education?
I don't know, but I love to do all works because it's so fun to do.
Well, I think you have to do more physical activities, no? You need to exercise, no?
Okay.
Finish na. Okay.
Last na yun? Last na yun?
Oh, last na yun. That's, yeah.
May mga attitude pa.
Ay, ito pa pala. Hindi ko nakita. Ang haba naman ito, be.
Marami?
Ang dami. Ito, your child as a learner. Okay? So, ano siya? Parang rating from 1 to 4. Ano siya? Parang may smile. Always, most of the time, sometimes rarely. Parang ganun. So, very good naman. Yung child as a learner, mostly, always, and most of the time, yung score niya, except sa listens attentively, you got 3. You got sometimes. They said that sometimes you don't listen attentively, It's okay, but the other ones are good. You said you're interested in learning. You work well independently. You work well with other children. Keeps trying. Homework is completed and presents work carefully. Very good. Oh, this one is good. Oh, your child's social and personal development. Wow, you got to approved always. You behave well in class, mixes well with other children, sensitive to others' feelings. Yes, behaves well in the playground, manages and expresses own feelings well. Yeah. Oo, maganda. Maano yung EQ ni Penpen emotion Very good yung baby na yan. And then your English. Oh, you got 4 out of 5. Listening, oral expression, reading, and for writing you have to practice writing. Pen, your writing's 3 out of 5. Spencer knows all the letter sounds and blends them confidently to read words. Marunong na kasi magbasa sa Penpen. She recognizes all the sight words we covered, and her writing is neat with improving pencil control. Well done, Spencer. Oh, pen. Kailangan mo na lang mag-practice ng writing daw, ha? Your writing, you need to practice, ha? Uy. Yeah, yung rating niya kasi 4, ano yun capable and competent. Yeah. Okay. That's it.
Hello guys. So, habang nagdi-discussion si Mama and Penpen, napuno yung SD card natin sa DJI. So, I have to delete pa yung mga past videos. Tapos yun, ituloy na lang natin din yung report card ni Penpen. Ang nakakatuwa lang, sobrang ano din niya. Parang once at the end of the school year siya. At the end of the school year, at the end of the school year yung grading. Pero di ka to sa Pinas na parang first grading, second grading ganon. Parang isang gradean lang. Pero yung report card niya is napaka-comprehensive. Sobrang detail niya. Hindi lang namin siya mapapakita kasi medyo personal siya. Pero i-share naman namin share naman ni Mama Kari din yung mga details din. Ayun, nakakatuwa. Parang maraming category siya. Parang may grading na your child as a learner, your child social and personal development, may grading din for your child's learning during the year. Tapos yung mga subjects, ang grading niya is 1 to 5, which is 5 is the highest. Ayun, may Gaelic, math, social, environmental, and scientific education. Nabanggit mo ba yan, ma? Pati yung arts education? Ma? Arts education, 4 out of 5 siya lahat. And then, yung physical education nga lang medyo mababa. Pero okay na din naman. Tapos, may mga ano dito, parang narrative like, how can you further support your child's learning? Ayun, ang sabi, continue to support Spencer. Continue to support Spencer's fine and gross motor skill through play-doh, drawing and cutting, trips to the playgrounds. Yun, so parang may mga ano din sila, mga advice para sa mga parents. Like, and do some simple activities like throwing, catching a ball. Yun siguro yung dapat namin gawin. And then, play dates over the summer and would be beneficial for her to maintain contact with her friends. Ayun, tapos learning support or resource teaching. Spencer received support for fine motor and gross motor skill this year, which is yun nga yung na-discuss namin the past vlog. She received support at school sport level, and Spencer achieved some of her targets and is working towards reaching others. May naglolo ko si Leon. Ayun, tuloy natin. Parang Spencer achieves her target. Tama naman. Parang nag-improve din yung fine motor skills niya. And is working towards reaching others, and she will continue to need school support next year to further develop these skills and have a wonderful summer. Spencer, yun yung sabi. Tapos ito yung comments ng teacher niya. It has been such a pleasure to teach Spencer. This year, she's a bright, sweet, and little girl. She has shown excellent progress in reading, maths, and science, and consistently demonstrating strong understanding and skills in these areas. Spencer is thoughtful and curious and enjoys exploring and learning more about the world around her. She has made good friends this year, and it's been wonderful to see her kindness and thoughtfulness towards others. Spencer responds well to praise and encouragement and always wants to do her best. I wish her all the best in senior infant. So yun, ang attendance niya 150 days up to 162, and majority ng mga absences niya is pag may sakit siya, and then punctuality, no days late. So congrats my daughter Spencer. Ayun, guys, tapos na kami kumain, tapos nag-abang na lang kami ng bus pa uwi. So yun na muna siguro for today's video. Please subscribe to our channel and see you sa next vlog. Bye!
Bye.
Na, hinahabol yung ano ko. Yan, okay.
Bye.
Bye!